Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to get 50 Solana coins. You can use it to trade on Pump.fun or use it to make your coin. So you need some Ethereum to start, 0.05 Ethereum minimum, and some extra to pay the gas fee. So you'll use this code to deploy the contract. So let's start. Go to remix.ethereum.org. This is the link. Create new file, wSOL.sol. Copy the code. I have pasted the code link in the description below. You can check it out. Paste the code. Now choose Solidity compiler version 0.6.6. Always check the version of your compiler. Compile. Now choose the wallet connect. We'll connect MetaMask here. Connect your wallet. Okay. Now import the Solana coin, wSOL. Now put the token name Wrapped Solana and token symbol wSOL. Now click on transact. Round the gas fee. Confirm and confirm again. It will take some gas fee, like depending on the Ethereum gas fee, $10 to $30. We have submitted the transaction. Wait a bit. Transaction is now complete. So we have deployed our contract. So copy the address from here. Make sure you copy the right address. Now go to MetaMask. We need to fund our contract. Paste the contract we have just created. Send 0.05 Ethereum. You can send 0.1 Ethereum. You will get 100 Solana if you do with more Ethereum. Okay, so transaction is complete. Now wait, let's check the balance. So our balance is showing balance is 0.05 Ethereum. Now click on start. Now again round the gas fee. Confirm it. And it will take some more little gas fee. Confirm it. Wait for a minute. Transaction complete. Our balance sent to the contract. Okay, so we had just received 50 Solana, which is around 11,894 USD. You can now transfer this Solana to Phantom wallet, and on Phantom wallet we can convert it to wSolana to Solana. So here we go. I have transferred the 50 Sol from MetaMask to Phantom wallet and convert it. Now you can enjoy your Pump.fun. Thank you guys for watching the video.